So we have the integral of 3 minus sine x divided by cosine squared of x. And so to find this integral, what we can do is this. First, let's go ahead and separate this. So this would be the same as 3 over cosine squared of x, and then minus sine over cosine squared of x. So now let's find this integral first. This is the same as 3 times 1 over cosine squared of x. But recall that 1 over cosine squared is the same as secant squared of x. And then from our list of the formulas we developed earlier, antiderivative secant squared of x is tangent of x. So this is tangent of x. And then the second integral right here, so for this one we get 3 tangent of x. And then now we need to do the second integral. And for this one we can use U substitution method and let U be cosines of x. And then we need to rewrite this like this. So here we can let U be cosine, and the reason we're letting U be cosine of x because the derivative of U of cosine of x is negative sine of x, and we have sine of x right here. So that's why. So this is du dx, which is negative cosine of x. As though we have du is equal to negative sine of x. And then times dx. And since the integral here, we only have sine x dx, we don't have the negative, so we can multiply both sides by negative 1. And this will equal to sine x dx. And then now we're ready to make the substitution. We let U be cosine of x, and so cosine squared of x will be 1 over U squared. And then sine of x dx is negative 1 du. And again, the negative 1 is the multiplication constant, so we can move it and place it in front of the integral. And then this is 1 over u squared, so we'll rewrite it as u to the negative 2, so we can use the power rule. So here we have negative 1, and then using the power rule, we add 1 to the exponent. So negative 1, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. And then dividing by negative 1. And so negative 1 divided by negative 1 would be just 1. And so we just have u to the negative 1. And then this becomes 1 over u. And this becomes 1 over cosine of x. Since we let u be cosine of x. But 1 over cosine of x is secant x. And so the integral of sine over cosine squared of x is secant x. And so right here we have minus secant x. And then plus c.